Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of animals to debunk some of the most common myths you've probably heard. From the depths of the ocean to the skies above, the animal kingdom is filled with wonder and intrigue, but also with misconceptions that have been passed down through generations. Join me as we embark on a journey to separate fact from fiction, unraveling the truth behind these enduring myths. Let's get started. Our first myth takes us into the shadowy realm of bats, often depicted as creatures of darkness, flitting through the night with an inability to see. This, my friends, is a misconception. While it's true that bats are most active during the night, their nocturnal habits do not equate to blindness. In fact, many bat species possess remarkably good night vision, allowing them to navigate the darkness with surprising ease. Bats have evolved an extraordinary ability known as echolocation, a biological sonar system that allows them to see using sound. By emitting high-pitched calls and interpreting the echoes that bounce back, bats can create a detailed sonic map of their surroundings. This remarkable adaptation enables them to hunt insects with incredible precision, even in complete darkness. So the next time you encounter a bat, remember that these creatures are not to be feared for their supposed blindness. Our next myth takes us from the darkness of caves to the confines of a goldfish bowl, where we encounter one of the most enduring misconceptions about our aquatic companions, the myth of the 3-second memory. For years, goldfish have been unfairly labeled as forgetful creatures, their intelligence underestimated. Studies have shown that goldfish possess a memory span of at least several months. They can remember their environment, recognize their owners, and even be trained to perform simple tricks. So the next time you gaze upon a goldfish, remember that beneath its shimmering scales lies a mind capable of learning and remembering. Chapter 3. Ostriches debunking the head in the sand myth. Our journey into the realm of animal myths now takes us to the savannas of Africa, where we encounter the ostrich, the world's largest bird. Ostriches are often depicted as comical creatures, prone to burying their heads in the sand when danger approaches. This image, while amusing, is a far cry from reality. When threatened, ostriches often lie low to the ground, stretching their necks out horizontally. From a distance, this posture might create the illusion that they have buried their heads in the sand. By pressing their bodies close to the ground, ostriches are actually trying to blend in with their surroundings, making themselves less visible to predators. So the next time you hear someone say, "Don't be an ostrich," remind them that these birds are far from cowardly. Chapter 4. Bulls seeing beyond the red myth. Our exploration of animal myths now takes us into the world of bullfighting, where a misconception about bulls and their perception of color has persisted for centuries. The image of a raging bull charging at a matador's red cape is ingrained in popular culture, but the truth is more nuanced. Bulls, like many other mammals, are actually dichromats, meaning they only have 2 types of color receptors in their eyes. This means that bulls see the world in shades of blue, yellow, and gray and are unable to perceive the color red. So when a bull charges at a matador's cape, it's not the color red that incites their aggression. The real trigger is the movement of the cape itself. This myth highlights how our human perception of the world can sometimes cloud our understanding of animal behavior. Chapter 5. Toads dispelling the warty myth. Our final myth-busting adventure takes us to the damp undergrowth of forests and gardens, where we encounter the humble toad, often unfairly associated with warts. The belief that touching a toad can give you warts is a superstition that has persisted for generations. However, there is no scientific basis for this claim. Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, or HPV, not by contact with toads or any other amphibian. Toads, with their bumpy, textured skin, might resemble warts, but they are not the cause of these harmless growths. While it's true that some toads secrete toxins from their skin as a defense mechanism, these toxins are unlikely to cause warts. So the next time you encounter a toad, don't be afraid to admire its unique beauty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and by debunking myths and embracing scientific understanding, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the incredible creatures that share our planet. Remember, every species plays a vital role in the delicate balance of nature, and it's our responsibility to protect and preserve the biodiversity of our world. See you next time.